We're first going to take off the cover over here. This cover protects the thermal head and the cutter. That's how it looks like. As you can see. Whoa! This printer is very dusty, very dirty. It's coming from a shop that has a lot of sand sometimes. Yeah. So you can see over here, it's very dusty, and this can also destroy the thermal head. Mostly when there's dust, it can affect the thermal head. Okay, let's start removing the parts. Let's start disassembling the parts. So with a Birch printer, it has 4 screws beneath it. We are going to take off these first 4 screws and then we move to the next parts of the lesson, okay? So let's start here. These are the screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the last screw for this side. It's 4. So you can see I've taken them off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so these were the receipts that were left in the printer as faint. You can see it's very faint. Very faint, meaning, yeah, the thermal head is faulty, so we've got to replace it. Okay, so now that we've gotten rid of the 4 screws underneath it, we'll go on by opening the printer itself. Now if you look within here, we'll still have to take off 4 screws again out of this one.